Nancy here at Coastal Skincare, your video magazine on YouTube. I am going to do a live demonstration of a product that I have liked in the past, recent past, and we're going to see firsthand here how well it works on redness. You can see on my left eye, especially right up here, I have a pretty significant amount of redness. Reason, my eyes are prone to it from allergies and such, and not very smartly, I believe I got cayenne pepper on my eye, around my eyes. I sprinkle my tomato plants with cayenne pepper to try to keep those rabbits from eating all my wonderful tomatoes, and they still come back, you know. But anyway, let's just see here. We're going to do a live demonstration. Obviously, you can see the red. It's really clear. I don't think I have to get any closer or do anything special because you can see this. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to squeeze a little bit here. I am not wearing any makeup. You know, I think it's pretty, you know, clear that I'm a lot on there. I'm going to get a tissue here. Let me get this. Hold on. Okay. And let's just rub her in. It seems, ladies and gentlemen, to be working. Whoa. Okay, let's try and get this better. Whoa, that is a significant reduction in whatever, okay? I have a little bit heavy here. I may do possibly a second coat. That is a possibility on there. My goodness, this could possibly cure a rainy day, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's wonderful. Mostly my people, I think, are ladies, but that's okay. I say gentlemen, just in case. Okay, I think that is a significant reduction. I'm going to try a second amount, obviously same stuff, dispensing here, and I'm just putting that much on this time, so I'm not going, you know, crazy with it. Dot, okay, and the rest I'm just going to, you know, wipe off into my tissue. It's a little strange because it almost looks green at first coming out of the tube, and you can be like, what is this eyeshadow or what? But it does not stay green. It just blends in. And different color concealers do different things, you know, to hide whatever, bruises or whatever. But I have to tell you, I'm seeing a significant reduction, and I'm going to try and smooth it a little bit here. I don't have a makeup sponge right now with me. It's still a little bit red, but you have to admit that's a nice difference. Let's go for 3. Because this is what I would do in front of a makeup mirror. I would just apply it, layer it, and wipe the excess off on my tissue. My nails are obviously off this week because I've been very busy in the garden and elsewhere and cooking. Tonight I'm making chicken sausages with ravioli and green beans for my dinner menu. That's better, guys, I have to say. That's a lot better. Now, what I would do is over top of this, I would put some of my tinted moisturizer that I use on the rest of my face. I have been rubbing over here a little bit. So if there's a little bit of red that's like, wait a minute, there's still red there, I think I rubbed it and I think I made it red. But other than that, I think this is a good product. It feels wonderful on. Okay, L'Oreal Prime Lab 24-hour redness eraser, 4% niacinamide, by the way. And I look for a lot of products with that in it nowadays. That seems to be a popular ingredient. I bought and paid for this myself. This is not a plug. This is not affiliate. I will always tell you about my amazing, beautiful luxury soaps. Please go to Our Craftworks www.etsy.com. Scroll down to the feedback and see what my purchasers, my buyers are saying about my products. They're a luxury product. I put a lot of expensive ingredients in it, including a huge amount of raw honey from our own beehives, and it's amazing. I have my ebooks too. American Women Don't Have to Get Fat. This is for any woman. I say American women because I'm an American woman, and a lot of American women do have an issue with unwanted weight, and so it can apply to any woman anywhere around the whole planet. Okay, so it's a good book. It's a good way to get some good professional advice. I have other ebooks too. Yoga. I have a diet ebook. I have a counterclockwise paranormal romance series. That is a blast from the past love story. That is fiction, obviously. And I hope that some of you enjoy this product. I hope some of you enjoy my soaps and my ebooks. And I thank you for being here. And please have a wonderful, wonderful day.